There's some weird wheels, like silver wheels. 1500 four-door white. Probably a 6-inch lift and 35s. Tinted windows. It's basically what everybody does. Have you noticed that? Every single person now. I mean, before it used to vary. Look at that. It used to vary. People would always pick between 17, 18, and 20, and it would always vary. And then 20s, you would see it, and then you would be like, wow, that's amazing. But majority of the time, you'd see smaller wheels with the older trucks and everything. But now that everyone's buying up the newer trucks, everybody's running the 35, 12.5, 20-inch rims. It's just so normal now. I mean, you don't see the offset, so I'll give people that. You don't see the offset. People don't run offset all the time. Look at this, Suburbia. Can get freaking lost in here. Good thing I know where I'm going. All this was built within a few years, probably about 2 or 3 years. Kind of sucks. But yeah, anyways, everybody does it, man. So I'm thinking I want to go a little bit different. So I don't think I want to just do what everybody else does. Second gen. Gas or headlights though, man. Nice headlights. It's a weekday and it's only like 2:50. It's only 2 o'clock and there's tons of people getting gas. Blacked out GMC. Pretty sick. I've always thought those Denali HDs looked really good. Honestly, they look. It's really specced out, and then they have the best interior you can get, and then match that with a 6.6 Duramax. Perfection. Look at that. People are parking up. Look at that Cummins. People are parking up on the hill here because they can't find a parking spot. Ridiculous. Oh, there's all this parking down there. I guess people are just lazy. Oh, probably gonna hit. Nope. All right. So I hope we have enough time for everything today. The sun, well, the sun, can't tell where the sun is. It's pretty cloudy outside today, but hopefully we'll have enough time.
2,000 years later.
All right, guys, we just got out. Gold's Gym right there. Got the Silverado right here. About to take her out, so let's go. Uh-oh, here we go. What the fuck do I do, man? Oh, move out of the way. Gee whiz. So there it is, Field and Stream. I usually like to look at the cool trucks, because there's usually a lot of them. Nice Cummins right there. But yeah, there's way too much traffic, so I don't think I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna try going around the building. Look, the highway's even completely filled with people. And that's the way I need to go too. Oh, look at that second gen Cummins, man. And then we got this Ford Power Stroke. Man, there's nice trucks out here. Yep, the Ford, if you can see that. Thing was nice. All right, I gotta keep moving on. There's too many people around here. Now that's actually a nice Jeep. Power Stroke. At least I think so. Ooh, look at that. Nice gasser. Somehow we just merged like 20 lanes and we made it back right here on the highway. And it seems to actually be pretty clear now. I don't know what it was. Back there, I guess it was because of the lights. Ooh. Nice. Gotta love those Power Strokes, man. Even stock, those Power Strokes hit high. Oh, just cut them off. All right, let's get up there before he leaves. There it is, man. The truck is sick, all blacked out and everything. Cummins. You know, I really hope they don't do away with manuals completely. I know that Ram is really the only one who really still does put manuals in their trucks. I know Chevy and Ford ended it a while ago, so that really sucks. So I hope they don't stop it completely, because I really like manuals, man. It's fun to drive, and the shifts, I don't know, you really get in touch with the truck a lot more, and they're also more reliable. You can also throw a lot more power at them and they'll handle it better, so that's another good thing. And so I don't know, there's just a lot more to having a manual than an automatic, at least in my point of view. Look at that old truck, man. That thing was so nice, man. If that thing still runs and drives, I would drive that on the road all the time and make videos about it. They look so good. Those old, really old classic trucks, man. Look so nice. Stopping by Rutter's real quick, right here. Just got to refill the water gauntlet. Forgot it actually. Didn't bring it into the gym. Just drinking out of the water fountain, so we got to run in real quick. All right, guys, we are back, and check this Jeep out. This is very weird. Never seen something like this before. It's a Jeep, but then it has Chevy stickers. 3 Chevy stickers on the back of it. I don't know if it'll. There we go. It's 3 Chevy stickers on the back of this Jeep. Kind of weird, but whatever. Guess they wish they had a Chevy. I think they wish they had a Duramax because they had a 4-inch side dump going on the side of the Jeep. I don't know. Another controversial topic in the auto-related industry is gas trucks having a big exhaust, and going anything above 3 inches is bad for the engine because it needs the back pressure or something. I don't know if that's an actual real thing or not. And there's really been there's always been 2 sides to every story. I think we left the area of all the traffic and cars and everything, so we're finally on the clear open roads here. Feels really good. And check out this place over here, man. Up on the hill there, that is awesome. Cool place to have. There we go, that's probably a D-Max. Yep, it is. Cummins with those big stacks, look at that. Dually with stacks. Regular cab dually with stacks. You don't see that too often. Well, I guess they moved it. There was a really old antique car parked right there in the gravel. I always like looking at it coming down this way, but I guess they moved it out or probably put it in that garage where it belongs, because it's just going to deteriorate out here. Well, people are living the dream out here. They got a very nice mountain view to just wake up to every day. Ooh, looks like the D-Max caught up to me, if you guys can see that behind me. It's a nice creek. I always wanted to try out fishing on it. Never got the chance to do it. That right there, probably fishing somewhere. That's a nice truck. Single cab work truck, man. Maybe I'll be one of those people that takes pride in my lawn, because honestly, how green that grass is right now, especially for this time of year, they did something good. Well, we made it to the middle of nothing now. All right, here's the turn. Heading out here, so we're about to head up the crazy mountain, and hopefully we can get up there without it being completely dark outside. But damn, check out this truck, dude. It's a nice picture right there. How about this side? Look at that. Gotta love this truck, man.